Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from today till the 10th of December. Let's start. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are Scorpio. What your partner is feeling for you right now, let's see. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are 7 of Wands. Okay, it's like taking a stand. They're trying to take a stand. They're trying to show you the opposite of what they're feeling. Okay, it's like showing no interest in you, acting cold, acting detached, or acting off, acting very defensive. I don't know why the hell they are like behaving like this, but they're truly showing you something else that they are not, or that they are not feeling at all. Let me clarify the 7 of Wands as their feelings for you. It's like they're very silent. I don't see this person talking to you, or if they're talking to you, it's like a very minimum kind of conversation that you guys are having. Let me clarify what is happening. 7 of Wands is clarified by the 7 of Wands and the King of Cups and the 8 of Swords. See, this person loves you. This person loves you, but they are not able to show you that because they don't want to show you that, because they feel like this is some kind of bondage. This is some kind of jail that they are in, and they are not able to come out of this jail no matter how hard they are trying. That's why they are acting defensive, because they don't want you to show the vulnerable side of theirs, and the side where they feel like, I'm open to you, I'm going to express everything. It's like they are showing you totally the opposite of love. Might be they're showing you that they hate you, or they blocked you or something. But yes, this person does love you very much. This person does love you very much, and they are in some kind of mental jail, not able to come out of your thoughts at all. Let's see, Scorpio, what you feel for this person, your feelings for them. Six of Cups, you're missing this person very much. You are in nostalgic phase. You're missing this person very much, Scorpio. It's like you're missing all the sweet memories that you guys had together, all the places that you guys visited, all the smells or perfumes or whatever kind of, things that you guys used to gift each other. It's like you're missing their smell, you're missing their presence, you're missing whatever you guys had in the past, sweet memories of the past, okay? Might be you guys are a long-term committed relationship partners or something. So it's like, yeah, you still feel the connection with them. Let me clarify. 4 of Wands and the World card and the 8 of Pentacles. I feel like for some of you it was a marriage that is falling apart, and now you feel like you are ready to save this marriage, and you're missing this particular person very much. If it was not marriage, it was a long-term committed relationship, or you guys were together from a very long time. It's like you're feeling like the marriage is falling apart, the relationship is falling apart, okay? The relationship is over, but you're ready to work on this situation. You feel like, I should work on this connection with this particular person to make things work out, because you're deeply missing them. They're still very much in your energy. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Let's see what this person wants from you. Wheel of Fortune. This person wants to take things slow, and this person wants to just go with the flow. They don't want to force anything. They don't want to do anything, just for the sake of it. They just want to go with the flow. And what they want from you, they want you to relax, calm down, and see where things are going. See where universe is taking both of you. Let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune as what they want from you. Let's see. Three of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles and the Six of Cups again. This person right now wants you to work on yourself, on your stability, on your financial stability, on your looks, on your job, on your money, on your health, whatever you guys, whatever is lacking in your life, they want you to shift your focus on that part. Okay, look at the bigger picture of things. And this person wants you to be with them like you guys were in the past, because they also miss you. This person is also missing you, but they right now they feel like, look at the bigger picture and try to work on yourself, on your financial independence, your job, your money and everything, and be stable as you were in the past. I feel like you were very stable in the past, but now you're lacking stability, and that's why this person wants you to be something stable in your life, and they just want things to go with the flow, where the universe is taking you. They don't want you to force anything. They don't want you to pretend anything. Just go with the flow, work on yourself, your money, your everything. They understand that you miss them. They understand that there's still lots of love and lots of passion in this situation, but they want you to shift your focus on yourself right now. Okay, Scorpio, let's see what you want from this person. You want to marry this person, or you want to have a reunion with this particular person, because you feel like this person is your soulmate. You don't want them to just go away from your life just like that. You want this connection back in your life and on a soulmate level, not just back. You want this person to be with you forever. Let me clarify. You want this person to open up and just be with you. Let's see. Six of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles and the Emperor could be dealing with an Aries here. You want this person to bring balance to the situation, to have equal give and take of energy in this situation with you. You want this person to be okay. You feel like, yeah, okay, you want to slow down. Okay, slow down. But make a decision that you are going to come back to me only. This is what you want from this person. You want this person to take a decision of coming back to you only, even if it is going to take, years to come back. But yeah, you want to have a soulful connection, a soulmate connection back with this person. That's why you want this person to balance things with you. Okay, even if they are slow to come, they should at least make a decision that you are the only one. And you just literally want this person to give you a commitment, like in the future I'm going to come back to you only. This is what you want from this person, Scorpio. Let's see what to expect from this person till the 10th of December. Let's see. Justice. Okay, they'll try their best to bring balance in this situation with you. I feel like this person is going to take some action that is going to bring balance in the situation. I don't see them taking any kind of nasty decision or any kind of stupid step towards this connection. I see this person taking a balanced step. Could be dealing with a Libra here. Let me clarify. Whatever they are going to do, they are going to do for the sake of, for the highest good of this connection. Let me clarify. They are finally going to open up to you, and they are going to do something that is going to help both of you in this situation where you are right now. Three of Swords and the Death card and the Ten of Swords. Oh my God. They're leaving. For the time being, they're leaving. I don't see this person coming. And by the word justice, by the thing balance, I feel like this person right now is feeling like walking away or breaking up, or ending the connection right here right now is the best thing to do. So I feel like, Scorpio, your person right now is just breaking your heart and walking away, because they are feeling backstabbed or betrayed. They are not feeling good in this connection. They are feeling like you are pressurizing them or forcing them or something. But I feel like this person is going to break the connection with you, even if it is for the time being, even if it is like just for the short period of time. But I feel like this person is going to walk away. Could be dealing with another Scorpio here, or Aries, Gemini, Libra or Aquarius, air sign. Yeah, high air sign energies here. But yeah, I feel like this person is going to end the situation with you right now because they feel like this is the right thing to do. Ending is the solution here according to them. Let's see what the universe has for you. What should you do till the 10th of December? Page of Pentacles. You should start from scratch. You should start from a friendship level. I feel like this person is ending the relationship with you, but there's a chance that you guys can start from the friendship level again. Okay, take baby steps and start from the friendship level. Start from the level where there's innocence, there is no demands, unconditional love, unconditional friendship. This is what the universe has for you. Let me clarify. Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus here, King of Pentacles and the Five of Cups. You should take help of spirituality. You should heal. You should take help of spirituality, some kind of spiritual guru, some kind of mentor, or somebody who is just a very good person to deal with, a kind-hearted person, elder to you, who can give you some good advices and heal from the situation, heal from the heartbreak and regret, and restart again. Okay? Healing is required here. Deep healing is required here, Scorpio. Then you should proceed further. When you are totally healed, then you should restart. Okay? Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.